Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hoover carpet cleaner not picking up water. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply check and clean the nozzle and recovery tank. For that, you just have to simply remove the nozzle or the suction head from the carpet cleaner. Then check for any blockages, dirt or debris that might be the obstructing suction. Then you need to clean the nozzle with the warm water and a soft brush. You can even check the recovery tank, so you need to ensure that the recovery tank is properly seated in its compartment. Afterwards, you just have to empty the tank if it is full and clean it thoroughly. So basically, all in all, you just have to first try to clean it thoroughly, and then you just have to check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then the second method that you can try is you can simply inspect and maintain the suction path. For that, you can check for the clogs in the suction path and test the motor suction. After that, you need to make sure that the proper setting is available, so you need to set the cleaner to the correct mode for the water extraction and make sure the brushes aren't stuck, as this can reduce suction performance. So these are the two methods that I would recommend you to try in order to fix this problem. But if your problem still persists, then you can even seek help from the Hoover customer service executive. For that, you need to come to hoover.com and click on the messages icon over here. Then you need to select your speaking language and you can type your message over here and connect with them. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.